Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to verify your payment address from your Adsense account. And in this case you're going to log into your Adsense, and when you requested the Adsense pin, this is what they send you. They send you the pin code. This is not mine, I have just got a template that on Google. This is what you get. The step 1, they will tell you to go to Adsense. Then step 2, you go to the settings icon, then select payments, then setup 3, you go to accounts, and then here we're going to, I'm sorry about my internet's a bit slow. You're going to go to our Adsense account. In my case I've opened one here. Then this is the step where you go to account, but in my case here I ordered for my pin on 16th December 2018 and I received it on January 4th 2019. Then I'm going to go here, but I can also click from here to verify it, but I'm going to take you through the steps if you don't get that stage. Then here you're going to click verify address. Then after here you put your pin, and I'm going to pause this video. I put my pin, then I'll come back again. So after entering your pin code, then you click submit pin. In my case I'm going to submit mine. So now my account has been verified, and it's now waiting for the payment, or like putting the back account. That's the one that's remaining. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, thumbs up, comment for more help. Subscribe to my channel for those who have not subscribed. It really helps. One by one makes a bundle, so don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice time. Goodbye.